What's up, today? So let's do a complete updated multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have currently in gold in this instrument. Now, what you see on the 4-hour time frame, we see that a significant trading opportunity is being evolved in this highly volatile and precious metal. So before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis to see the bigger picture, and then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade gold. Now, first of all, as usual, we always in all our analysis we look at the bigger picture. We'll look at monthly time frame to see what's happening with the gold. Now, if you see the recent time frame, like couple of months, what you see that gold was in a very strong downtrending market. Starting from here, there has been a strong impulsive move every month. Gold was creating a series of lower high and lower low, and this candlestick is strongly bearish. Now, as a result, we have seen gold came to this very important level of support, which is a really strong level of support. And from this support, we have seen that gold has a strong bounce. You see, this is the support zone here. Every time gold was coming to this level of support, we have seen a strong bounce. Except this month, the previous months, we have seen a lower high and then strong rejection to the upside. As a result, as soon as the monthly candle closed, we have seen another spike to the upside. Now, what happened? Now we see that gold, after going to this very important level of resistance, why it is important? If you see that there are back to back two monthly opening and closing zone, and from that zone we have seen from around 18.7 or more, gold has rejected. Now, as you see that past month there is a long week candle, and this zone is still an imbalance in the market that has not been tested. So we could potentially see a drop on gold to test this at least certain level of this long week candle, probably at least 50% of this zone. That can really give us a shorting opportunity on gold currently in the lower time frame. Now, so monthly we have a strong confluence for dropping. Now, weekly perspective, we have seen that there is a nice looking impulse here, and the trend downtrend is very clear on the weekly time frame. You see that there is a double top here and then has broken down with a gap opening. The price went above, tested this neckline of this double top, this zone, and we see with a bearish engulfer, and the price has broken down. Now again, couple of weeks we have seen an up rise. So let's take our Fibonacci from the high to the low, and what we see that gold exactly retraced at 61.8% Fibonacci level. Now this is what exactly I mentioned in all my analysis, even in my weekly forex forecast. You have seen that after the weekly close, we have seen now gold is dropping. So the way the price action is forming, we could see a new lower low or at least an equal low that can give us a really shorting opportunity. Now, daily perspective, we have seen today after the previous day's doji, the price went above, tested this zone. Now we see a rejection. Now you see on the daily perspective, we see a reversal pattern. The price tested this important level in this neckline of this reversal pattern as a resistance. Now, if we draw this level here on the daily perspective, we see that the price exactly tested this zone and we have seen a rejection. So monthly, weekly, and daily, the price action is strongly bearish. Now, 4-hour perspective, this is what I mentioned in my previous day's analysis. As you have seen that when the price was here, this is what exactly I mentioned, that gold is likely to go up, test this zone, and then could drop, and gold did exactly as it is. Now you see that this current candle looks like that it's a bearish candle. After 1.5 hours later, this current 4-hour candle will close. But if this one closes as a bearish engulfer, you can see that it has tested this 20 period moving average on the 4-hour time frame, crossed the high of the previous couple of candles, created a nice looking double top, and also tested this important level of support neckline of this reversal pattern. You see there is a long consolidation, it's a reversal pattern, tested this support as resistance, and we see the gold is now closing as a long bearish engulfer. Now, if it closes as a bearish engulfer, that really can give us an awesome shorting opportunity. As long-term trend is bearish, we have found a price action is bearish, and if it satisfies after closing all the rules of our strategies, we'll consider shorting gold from this zone with our students with a high risk to reward ratio. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button And also, don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.